Hey beautiful natural lovers and hey cute natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna if you're new here. But before I get into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, below the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, what I'm gonna be doing in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrow. Remember, I'm not a professional, right? I'm just trying a little thing, right? And let me just put it out there, one may come out perfect than the other, or probably both of them come out good, not sure, because sometimes, yeah, they don't come out perfect. All right, so I shaved my eyebrow this morning, yeah, and I probably put on a little makeup, show you guys the stuff that I use, you know. When I use makeup, when I do my makeup, I tend to love to look natural, yeah. All right, so first thing first, I am using this eyebrow pencil. This is my favorite color that I love to use. This is my concealer. I have my little brush. Yeah, so these are the three things that I'm gonna be using to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna start under the bottom of my eyebrow. And then I'm gonna go at the top. Then I'm gonna be filling in with the eyebrow pencil. Alright guys, so far, see it there? So one side done. So I'm gonna do the other side. Some of the times my problem with drawing my eyebrow is that one eyebrow tends to be a little bit higher than the other. I don't know why. Alright, so whatever error is there with my eyebrow, I know for a fact that the concealer will fix it. So I'm gonna draw for the concealer right now. So I'm just gonna add the concealer to the back of my hand. Remember, I'm not a pro. I'm just blending in the concealer. All right, so I'm gonna go over to the other side. Seems like they come out good, people. Alright, so now I am going to be adding foundation. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this foundation. The name of this is Kiss Beauty Foundation Contour. You guys remember, I'm not a pro. So I'm gonna be using this brush to blend it into my skin. So I'm just gonna add a little. I don't want too much. And I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna blend it in. To be honest with you, I love wear makeup that looks natural. I don't really like when it's too much. That's the foundation. So this is a little face powder I'm just gonna be adding over the foundation. So before I put on my eyeshadow, and then I am going to be putting on some lip gloss. So I'm going to be putting on my lip gloss. It's attached to a key that I have. Putting on some lip gloss, guys. Alright, so my lip gloss is on. And now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is gonna be, so who remember this palette? Who remembers this palette? Yeah, I got this palette for my birthday, yeah, last year. Yes, I'm gonna be using one of these shades from this palette. Since I have on this color, I think I'm gonna go with this. This and probably something else, don't know yet. All right, so I'm gonna be using this shade right here. As I said before, I'm keeping it simple. Alright, so the next color that I'm gonna use is this color here. So I'm gonna be putting that color right here. Alright guys, so that's how I do my makeup here. All right, natural lovers, so there you have it. That's another video. Hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, blow the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell and click on all so you will be notified whenever I drop a new video.